you have not given us the role of Parliament, Mr. Speaker. We need to know the role of the Senate and Parliament in this process going into the future. And I know Senator Okia Okoitio Mtata Andrew is in court because of such matters. So we are, Mr. Speaker, we are slowly legislating ourselves out of business. Let me use out of business. We are slowly legislating ourselves out of our role as envisaged under Article 96. So we don't want to be relying on the mercy and charity of Senator Okoitio Okia Mtata Andrew to go to court to try and create our own space. This is the right time where we can create our own space, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I don't know why the Senator of Mombasa is heckling. I know he has missed Maandamano, but he hopes that what happens in Bomas collapses. Mr. Speaker, what I'm just saying is that let us legislate ourselves into our work that we give ourselves, so that we don't go to court. I know Minority Leader was present, Senator Faki was there. We don't need to be every day. We force you, Mr. Speaker, to march from here, and I know you are physically fit. We had to march from the Senate gate all the way to Milimani because we were just fighting over what we should be doing. And I know at that time, Senator Otsosi was enjoying himself in the National Assembly. With those many remarks, Mr. Speaker, allow me to second, to support and say all the best and congratulations.
Senator Mwaruma.